Hey everyone, welcome back. So this video is about the story Foodville Friends, a recipe for friendship. Click on the subtitles or closed captions icon to get the subtitles turned on, and the whole story is narrated by Lucy. Make sure to watch the video till the end.
In the lively kitchen of Foodville, Toasty the Toast popped out of the toaster and cheerfully greeted his foodie friends.
Good morning, everyone. What's cooking today?
Poppy the Popcorn, always the joker of the group, said with a wink.
I heard there's a picnic at the park. I can't wait to pop in and steal this show.
The Cupcake, with her sugary charm, giggled and chimed in.
I'll be the sprinkles of happiness. Let's make this picnic a sweet memory.
Ava the Avocado, known for her wise and balanced advice, suggested.
How about we bring some healthy avocado sandwiches for a nutritious touch?
Kippy the Coffee, the most energetic of the bunch, exclaimed.
I'll brew the coffee to keep our spirits high and our energy soaring.
As they gathered their ingredients, Toasty announced.
I'll make a toast to our friendship.
I heard there's a picnic at the park. I can't wait to pop in and steal this show. I'll sprinkle fun and joy everywhere.
And I'll bring the green goodness to our picnic.
I'll keep the party percolating.
Off they went to the park, and there, under the shade of a friendly tree, they laid out their picnic. A curious animal named Nutty joined them and asked,
Can I hop in and share this delightful feast? Of course. Join the toasty, poppin', sprinkling, healthy, and percolating party.
As they shared stories, laughter, and delicious food, they realized that their friendship was their most important ingredient in their recipe for a perfect day. Each friend brought something unique to the table, making the picnic unforgettable. Back at home, Toasty, Poppy, Cupcake, Ava, and Kippy gathered to reflect on their day. They knew that no matter how different they were, their friendship was the true treasure. They learned that it wasn't about winning or being the best, it was about cherishing the moments they spent together and the joy they brought into each other's lives. And so, in the heart of Foodville, these foodie friends continued to savor the moments they shared, knowing that true friendship is a recipe for happiness that can't be beaten.
So what we understand from this story is, true friendship is about appreciating and valuing the unique qualities and differences in each other. It teaches that diversity can enrich relationships, and it's the joy and togetherness that matter more than winning or being the best. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this story, and share it with your friends too. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. Bye bye.